Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the More icon, then scroll through the menu, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And here on the list of devices you should see your Vivomove Luxe. Tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Let me actually tap on it like this. Tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove. If you see this pop up on the screen, you can tap on Settings if you want to. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you should see the Vivomove Luxe on the list of devices. Once you see it, tap on the Settings icon, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device. And once you forget it, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.